Good morning. Today we are going to learn about pre-writing skills. Okay, you ready? Come. I'll tell you one story. Okay. One day John went out for a walk where he saw a pond, clouds, ducks on the pond. Okay, and also a rain came that day. It was raining that day. So John was very happy. He was enjoying the rain that day. Suddenly the rain got stopped. It was not raining. So what happened? And there is no any water on the pond. The John was very sad. He was sad because it was not raining. Shall we bring him the rain to John now? Yes? Come. See here. See? Now the rain came. John was very happy. See here? It looks like standing line, isn't it? Up, down. See here? Up, down. From up, down. Standing line. See? Then John wants to introduce one more friend to you. Okay? See here. Standing line. His name is Standing Line. Children, please repeat. Standing line. And do the hand, raise your hand and show up, down. Standing line. For number 1 we did it, isn't it? Standing line. From up to down. See here? From top to bottom. From top to bottom, you have to trace your finger on the standing line. See? Indu ma'am was tracing now. Standing line. Okay. Now, there is no any water on the pond. So, the ducks are very sad. It's got sad. So, shall we bring the water on the pond also? Yes? See here. From left to right. From left to right. From left to right. See here? So it looks like sleeping line, is it? So the ducks became happy. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Okay, here. John's another new friend. Sleeping line. From left to right like this. Okay. Sleeping line. I'm using my right now. Sleeping line. See, from head to leg. It's left to right. Sleeping line. Okay. Sleeping line. Please repeat. What is his name? Sleeping line. See here. Trace on the sleeping line. Slowly. Show your hand like this. Raise your hand and do it like this. From left to right. See here. Left to right. Sleeping line. From left to right. Sleeping line. For standing line, it's up to down. Standing line. See here. This is my marker. See, it's in a standing position now. Okay. Now, it is in a sleeping position. Standing. We are standing now. I am standing now. You also please stand up. So, now we are in the standing position like a marker. Okay. Standing line. So, when you will sleep, when it's night time, you will go to sleep on the bed, isn't it? You will sleep on your bed like this. So, like in this position, sleeping line. Okay. It's John's house. Okay. See, John cannot enter the house because there is no any door. Shall we put the door to him now? See here. It's very easy. standing line, sleeping line. Again one more standing line. See, the door came. So the John can enter. And there is no any window for John's house. Shall we draw the window also? Is also easy. See here. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and then sleeping line. It's a window. See here. So you can also try practicing this, okay? See here. Ask your mummy to put a dots on the white paper like this for the standing line. And join the dots slowly on it. See, standing line. And for the sleeping line, put a dots and from left to right. Okay. Standing line, sleeping line. Okay. Now for the standing line. Shall we sing the song now, children? Rain is falling from the cloud, pitter patter raindrops, falling on the ground. See, this is a ground, okay? I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I'm wet through. See, the John is got wet, okay?
I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I'm wet through.
Pre-writing skills through fine motor activities, okay? See, I have first we will do writing practice on this rice. Take a rice on the plate. See here, ma'am is writing standing line for you. See here, standing line from up to down, standing line from top to bottom, standing line, okay? And now sleeping line. From my side it's left, so for you it's from left to right, sleeping line. See here, can you see sleeping line? So I'll tell you the rice activity benefits, okay? For toddlers and preschoolers, along with stimulating the tactile sense, touch, you're touching this rice, okay? Sensory rise also helps them work on fine motor control. Gives the children to encourage their hand-eye coordination. Okay, so by seeing and with your hand only you're writing the lines, isn't it? Sleeping line, then standing line, is it? So sensory bins always encourage language development, help improve focus, concentration, and give opportunities for play-based education. Sensory, we have I've already prepared a dough like this, a clay, you can call it as a clay. See, for the dough, play dough, I have made in flour. I have put some paint, few drops of paint. You can even add kesari food colors. You can add food colors in the floor and ask your mom to do it like this. Okay, you can also do like this. Press it, the clay like this. Press it. So it will have the grip, pencil grip, fine motor activity which will help you to develop the pencil or crayon grip, okay? Able to hold the pencil or crayon. If you give this floor play dough, it will be helpful for the children to hold the pencil, okay? It's also one of the pre-writing skill. It is very important. It's non-hazardous. Child can eat also. If you're not using paint, child can eat also, nothing will happen. If you give clay, lot of chemicals will be added, so it is not good. Okay, it is not. Some clay and roll it in your hand like this. See, standing line. And take some more clay. See here, sleeping line. Okay, you can do anything in the clay. You can tell you the benefits of play doh. So which enhances fine motor skill, which strengthens the hand muscles, as I told you earlier while taking the video. Writing skills, create a flower, they will do it. Like a snake, they will do it. And if you keep on doing like this, it's a kind of stress reliever, calming is curiosity and knowledge. Okay, so the child will keep the toys over it and take the impression, or it will plates of this play doh activity. Activity on the paper using the bean and dal. So on the paper, draw a line like this, standing line and sleeping line. So, and put a glue over the lines. Okay, pause. See, from top to bottom like this. Do it slowly on the line. And for the sleeping line, I'm using this dal. One by one you have to do it slowly. So like this it will come, standing line and sleeping line. See, we have done this activity using the pulses. This is a dal, I told you earlier, and this is the cowpea. These are the pulses available in the kitchen. Okay, so the benefits is basically a easy and decorative artwork for children or people of all ages. While doing this activity, they learn about the names of different varieties of pulses. See, I have given 2 varieties of pulses. There are so many pulses available. Okay, you can use it. Children also learn to sort out the color. See, it's in yellow, and this is a peach color. See, light cream color. So different colors, varieties. This is small and this is quite big comparing to this doll. This cowpea is quite big in size. Okay, so different size of the pulses the child will come to know. This activity encourages them to eat the pulses when cooked, as few children hesitate while eating dals in their meal. So child observation, it inspires them to think critically and express themselves. Okay, so see here, Indu ma'am have drawn a line. So this is the walk the line activity. Okay, see, you have to place your foot on the line and you have to walk slowly, balancing and walk. See, slowly you have to walk, balancing and walk. See here, so which controls the body, which will encourage child to have a listening skills, coordination and concentration. Okay, concentration and walk on the line. So walk the line activity, children learn how to place their whole foot on the line, heel first and walk slowly along the line. Walk calmly and steadily. It nurtures concentration and self-discipline, develop and encourage motor skills and allow the student to gain independence. Okay, this activity it also helps to control motor control, but practices listening skills, balance, coordination, body awareness and sense of inner discipline. So the child needs a time to use their mind and bodies together. I've also placed the bricks on my terrace. It also gives you balance on walk. See here, slowly, one by one, you have to put your right leg first, and then your left, and then your right. So this also helps you to give the concentration, listening skills. So while walking, simple commands to the child while walk on the line activity, like walk slowly, walk fast, and raise your hands, okay, clap your hands. Like that you can give simple commands to the child for this walk the line activity. Okay, try this at home and take a video, send me through school WhatsApp number. To what we have learned today, you tell me. A story, a rhyme, and then what? No, I forgot. Okay, that is fine motor and gross motor activities, Bantu, which will enhance your hand muscles. Okay, and the gross motor which will controls the body, walking the line activity. Okay, try that. Take a video and send me through school WhatsApp number, children. I'll watch your videos. Okay, bye.